Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Still trying to get my camera in position. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and some garbage colors and some nice colors floating on them, and I want to use them up and experiment with them. And they're everything that I dumped out. So I think I'm just going to use them however they turn out. Glop and all. If I have to use a palette knife, I will. I'm going to grab, I think I'm going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Dig out whatever's in there. It looks like there's too much stuff in there. This may not, this is getting to be a non-event, I think. But, seeing that I'm here and you're here, I might as well play. We'll just attempt to cover the oh, I got some neat cells. I got some really neat cells. Actually, where are my tweezers? Let me see if that's a bubble. Nope, that's a thing that's going on the Lullaby silicone mat. I am stubborn about wasting paint, I admit. But I just had a really fun time playing with some black. And since this is wasted if I don't do something with it, other than continue to pull out whatever's in there. Alright, let's see. That's Golden Hour by Arteza. This is 24 Karat Gold by Decor Americana. This is Hobby Lobby Orange. This is Hot Orchid by Color Art. Here is some Anita's White Metallic. There's some purple. It used to be dioxazine purple before I added Golden's product called Iridescent Pearl Fine. So we got interesting shapes. I got an edge catcher. Let's see if I can do anything. Maybe it's going to be a miracle. And a miraculous event, I was going to say. Let's see how far I can get that to go over. I'm thinking, since I've got a nice big puddle there, I'm going to rock my edge. It might be cool to just send it right back onto the canvas. Use just part of the edge catcher. Been having some real fun making some very accidental art recently. I am going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula to fill in my spot. I'm going to think about making a puddle over there. Putting my thumb in. Paint will flow to paint, so by adding some black there, I can almost assuredly, pull down a lot of what's here. Rock my edge, thinking that I like, it's time to mix up some more white metallic evidently. I'm going to put that in the wrong direction before then going back in the right direction, and I think I'm just going to freely Oh, you know what? I've got turquoise iridescent. It doesn't want to come out. Maybe it's not supposed to be in there. Ooh, I don't know. Now I'm in a quandary. Alright, well I've got some other leftover paint. I think I'm just going to pull right out of my ring pour cup from earlier. These Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas are on the Amazon link that's under the link tree. It's under the video. Along with my OXO omelet turning spatulas. Best paint spreading tool I know of. Not clean right now because I just stuck my finger in there. What else? What else? I like what I've got, and it's going to be different in a minute, and I'm not sure I'm going to like that. I think I'm going to take my skewer instead of tipping anything. Move it toward the edge now because it's a nice heavy wet puddle. I've been making a mess today and wasting some paint on my tile. Probably going to want to flow that over anyway just to level it out. Although the Floetrol in my paint pouring mixture, which is below the video underneath the description underneath Show More, the Floetrol will level the paint out. Okay. I got a little gap there. I got a lot of fun colors and some fun shapes. I got some cells over here that are telling me right after I make sure there's no paint on the end of that ball. Get rid of any air bubbles. I torched to release the air bubbles caught in the paint. I also torched to hopefully release patterns caught in the paint or between colors. It's time. Ooh, that's a pretty edge catcher. You know what I do with those? I put them across the room. Sorry, blank tile, bad move. I'll take my remaining colors. And we have some touch up to do. Not bad for junk. Let's see if I'm happy with it though. I'm gonna rock my edge catcher to let my colors. I have to look for lumps too. Ooh, another pretty edge catcher. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what we've got in there that I need to pull out. Anything? That looked like something. We could probably blow around in there and do some interesting damage. One reason I like to use the Anita's white metallic instead of regular white is it's so much more sheer. But I don't like that spot there. I think I'm going to give myself permission to add a little something something so I don't have to think about it anymore. And maybe a few little tendrils. There. I say there. And you know that I was about to tell you I was done. But I'm learning. So, from garbage paint to something interesting. And I've got all kinds of paint if I want to put right there, and I do. And then I'm going to torch again. Am I going to torch again? see a little uneven paint. My edges are pretty well good. I'm going to try and zoom in and let you guys see. That one mark is kind of bugging me. And I'm thinking if I blow it out, I might like it better. And I do. There's temptation. Oh, almost picked that paint up. The hot orchid bleeds a little bit, but I like the effect that it gives, so I'm all good with that. I gotta tell you guys I have 91,000 subscribers. And if you're just joining me, please be welcomed. If you want to be of assistance to me, watch the videos longer. I appreciate a thumbs up very, very much. I want some black. Right. Where did I want the black when I wanted the black? That was black enamel, which is not my usual go-to. I want a sharper end on my skewer. I've been doing this recently, adding a little bit of odd pattern, and it just floats my boat. Just something simple. And I'm sure people are going to see things in it, but that's fine. That's where the fun is. That's pretty cool. I like it. What can I say? We all like what we like. And it's different for sure. And I've been craving different also. I like the juxtaposition, a word I have never used before, of the black and the white. I also like how cool my edge catcher looks. I am having an awful lot of fun. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for sharing my videos with groups and on your pages. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really, really appreciate them. If you're someone who are interested in helping me promote or make more videos, all your contributions are very well appreciated. You can find the PayPal or Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner and under my link tree. My link tree is underneath the video. And below my link tree and show more are my email address should you happen to be interested in purchasing an artwork. It's the best possible way that you can support the studio. But if you do support the studio through a donation, you can find the exhibition video that will share with you what that month's prizes are on the end screens of every video. I'm all scattered right now, sorry. Zoom back in a little bit. Alright, so thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. I really appreciate them. You keep my morale boosted. And look on the community board for tomorrow's video. Look on my Amazon link and shop there too at no added cost to you, but look there for the OXO omelet turning spatula, flip and fold, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, which are very handy and I use a lot of. I like the number 1, but the 2 and the 4 and the 5 are all good too. So thank you for the thumbs up. Please, can I have a thumbs up? Thank you, thank you. Pixels.com, Fine Art America are underneath the link tree. Also on Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more will take you there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is where you can find albums with artwork I have edited from YouTube. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is another Facebook group for students, and you can find tomorrow's video there. If you're looking for more of my videos, you can find 17 lists of 100, and you can find genre and topic. And if you want to ask me a question, feel free. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, please look under the description underneath the video. And if you need anything from me, just use my email address. It's under the link tree. It's easpb, the word gallery, @gmail.com, spelled out. And I will help you if I can. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for shopping my Teespring, where there's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts too. Really appreciate that. I'm looking at this and I want some more pink, but I don't think it needs it. Well, I kind of do think it needs it, but I'm not sure that it would be so beneficial that I want to risk it. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell, long-winded, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Saying, again, I love you guys so much. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.